treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Nissan Cube. This four-door, five-passenger wagon still has fewer than 30,000 miles. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.